Right, so today's jobs. Got a couple of little jobs to do today, and I'm in two minds. On first job, there's a raid. It's internal blasting. It's on. I don't know if I'm going to get much footage of that. To be fair, camera will not pick much up when it's dusty. So it's obviously there's nowhere for dust to go when it's on the inside. So there's no way that I can do it dustless because you're going to end up with a slurry. You're going to end up with all slurry and sand and everything just stuck to the floor at the bottom, and then you're going to need to wash it off after. So then you're going to be in the same boat really, trying to get remove paint. I'll do it before and after. Maybe do a bit of video if it'll let me. So what are you doing? Get in your own lane. But then I'm going to go and help my mate out that's well, we had a dry dock. We had them, not all of them, but when I do most of them boats, them narrow boats, he's having a bit of bother with his gates to stop water. And welders said that he can't weld something to something, or he wants clean metal to weld to. So obviously, bloke who owns docks thought, I'll have to clean that up. Says get me in. So yeah, I'm going to go through and I'm going to give him a hand, but I'm going to do it so that I'm going to do it off, like I said, booked in with another job, so I don't have to charge him. I'm not going to, because I know it's his dry dock and he makes money through that dry dock, but so do I. I make money through him, and them gates is for him. So I see it as I'm going to do him as a favour. I'm going to help him out a little bit, if I can anyway. We'll see what happens. It might be that they're too far gone, I don't know, because I've seen a photo of them. Obviously I've seen them anyway, but I've seen a photo of them when they're out of water. And they look pretty scaled up to me. So when you start knocking scales off, them scales are like scabs obviously, and they're, well, you know, when you pull a scab off yourself, it starts weeping. So I'm presuming that if I start knocking a load of scabs off it, it might start weeping. Oh, one more thing. I must have 20 lamps in this van, all to help me out when I'm blasting. So I thought I'll put one on charge, and it should be ready for when I get there. Not one of them works, and it's not charging because I must have 20 chargers that come with them. I've plugged all them in, and it ain't got a skirt on my sand either in back. Usually I leave a skirt on, so when I go around the corner like that, it keeps all bags together, like held to a pallet. But I've just thrown a few bags in on top, well, on a pallet, and I ain't got a skirt on it, so then I'm just going around that corner. I bottom the door in bulging out, so must not have fell all the way down to the bottom, but I felt it slide across and it do a felt bang. A little bit of movement. It'll be a right pain in the ass to open that door now. By this handle will drop down into the runner. Yeah, look at this one I did a few years ago. That stone clean there. That looks mega, that. I did full house on that one. Gable and back. That was a few years ago, that. Right, just been a screw fix and got a work lamp. They've only got one in stock. I must have 10 in van, but none of them work. It's an harsh environment, I've got to get that light. $23.99. These are better lights you can get, but they're still not fantastic. I'll show you. Let me see if I can get it up on camera. What's that? That's new. I didn't really get them. I'll go chuck that is. Oh yeah, sort of stuff that you don't need. Don't need that. Don't need that. I'll need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Definitely not going to need all that lot. Not going to need that. That. Just have to pray it's got a bit of charge in it because I need to take it straight to work. Don't need that. Need that. Right, see what we got on here. Oh, 0. Not even a smidgen of charge. Just a sec. See if this one works. Get out your body. There we go. Oh, that 12 volt thing doesn't only charge when it's might be charger that one knackered, it might not be them other lamps, you know. Let's see what this one's like. Jeez, not made for that. Yeah, it might be a charger that were knackered. At least we're getting a bit of charge in it now. Well, I've got 20 minutes before I get to the job, so it can have probably about 40 minutes, 50 minutes charging up, which should do my job, hopefully. But they've only got one in stock, so that's that. Right, I'll cut back in when I get to it. It never goes on first turn, ever. No matter how long you leave glows on, well, it ain't got glow plugs, it's got an heating element on air intake. So no matter how long you leave that on for, it doesn't really make much difference. So we'll get about 15 seconds anyway. I'm pretty confident it'll not go on first go. It never has, even from new, it's never done it. Hard enough. Right, so today's job is, there's a very fine line here, from there up doing, all the way around that bit here, to that corner. There's a line drawn on wall somewhere, there. Wanting it stopping there, and then this wall doing, all that wall, I'm going to knock that light switch off. I was going to set that off, but plumbers advised me, so if I start messing about with that, it might leak, so I've advised them we're just going to leave it on. So there's that to do, and then we're going to do that wall from there, so there's that line's there, and then we're going to go from there to that line again, and it's just that bit. I'm not doing that bit in there, but when we touch this and that stuff up there, I'm fairly confident we're not going to be able to see now, because the dust that's going to get up, it's going to get to the stage where, so this stuff's really dusty when you set this off. It's the line wash, so when the line gets airborne, it just is really dusty. But yeah, you can get that off. Right, let's start, see how much we can film. Gonna get dusty this, and there's no way to set extraction up because none of them windows open. Just have to see what happens.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Right, a bit missed there. Well, it's not missed, though. Shunted it on that line there. But I've just gone above it. It's getting covered up anyway, so it don't really matter about that. That's that bit. This is damp, this wall, and it's really stuck to it. A lot of dust is still stuck on it. But there's not much I can do about that. And then it's damp down here as well. So all dust is stuck to damp bit, but it should come off once she gets radiator on, dry its wall out a little bit, and then brush attachment on over. We've knocked a bit of money off and all, so that she can clean. I've got thick on it up, but I've knocked a bit of money off so that she can tidy up and clean up, which she's more than happy about. So, right, catch you on next job. Hey, I'm gonna do these for him. A little bit scabby like. Just wanted to have a look at them before he puts them back in, get some welding done on them. They're pretty nasty, these, like. Some, I don't know if I'll be able to do out much with these. It's that water that's going to be a problem. That. Anyway, let's set yard up and we'll do a bit of time lapse because my helmet's covered in shit from this morning's job. So I don't want to cover the camera in it. Let's check on it.
Rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Look at that. We had an issue with dust blowing wrong way over into the state. Anywhere else, blowing in any other direction, it'd have been fine. Can blow up there all at once, can blow all the way around there all at once, and it can blow behind me all at once, but just not in that direction. But that's the way it's been going anyway. But yeah, back tomorrow because he's wanting a little bit more than what I was prepared to give him for now anyway. So he's wanting, well, he's basically says he'd prefer to pay me anyway, so he wants to do. Obviously I was going to finish this off. I'd have got it done today, that, if I wanted to, but he's going to want other side doing, flipping them over a little bit more in these areas where I was going to just leave them because there's pretty much nothing I can do with that. I can't really get in. Oh, I can spend some time on it, but I didn't have time to spend just tidy them areas off. But yeah, these at Gates Foot Dry Dock, so I think he were in two minds whether to scrap them and start again and have some more made up, but the way that it's going and he's happy with how they're looking, I'm going to go for full thing and just get them, probably even finish that bit off up there, to be fair. But yeah, back tomorrow at this. Right, I'll catch you on next time.